We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. How does credit repair work? I know a lot of us have questions about credit repair and how it works, so I wanted to share some information on the topic. First of all, it's important to understand that credit repair is the process of fixing errors or mistakes on your credit report. This can include things like incorrect personal information, accounts that don't belong to you, or late payments that were actually made on time. There are a few different ways to go about credit repair. You can do it yourself by contacting the credit bureaus and disputing any errors on your credit report. This process can be time-consuming and may require some persistence, but it is a free option. Alternatively, you can hire a credit repair company to handle the process for you. These companies typically charge a fee for their services, but they can often negotiate with creditors and credit bureaus on your behalf to have errors removed from your credit report. It's important to note that credit repair is not a quick fix, and it may take some time to see the results of your efforts. However, if you're diligent and work to correct any errors on your credit report, it can ultimately improve your credit score and help you qualify for better loan terms and interest rates in the future. I hope this helps clarify how credit repair works. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.